This video is a walk-around tour of my 2015 Ford Transit self-converted camper van. It does have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, just over 89,000 miles, does have a rebuilt salvage title. On the exterior, 20% ceramic tinting on the driver and passenger window, Ford roof rack with a 325 watt LG solar panel. It is a 19, I believe, 0.6% efficiency panel, monocrystalline. Max Air 6200K fan in the back. We come up and enter through the sliding door. Right to the left is our main light switch, which is a dimmer switch that controls the 8 puck lights, LED puck lights on the ceiling. Ceiling is tongue and groove cedar. It's been sealed on all sides. The flooring is a sheet vinyl, a wood look sheet vinyl. Just to the left here is a compartment for a trash bin. As we step inside, right beside the trash bin, we have a bench seat, cushion, large storage area inside. Above that, beside the light switch, USB charge ports. Going up the wall, smoke detector. Back section is a bed. Is it a queen size memory foam mattress? It has been narrowed up about 4 inches. Above the bed we have a gooseneck touch sensitive LED light for reading. 2 6.5 inch speakers in the back bulkhead there. If we come down below the bed, pull out butcher block table so you can sit at the bench seat, eat, work on the laptop, whatever. Large drawer, 3/4 inch plywood that's been polyurethaned. Soft close drawer slides. All the doors and the drawers do have the push lock, the twist marine locks, so the doors stay closed when driving. Below that, large storage compartment with 2 doors. I stored a cassette toilet in here, among other things. Going back up, upper cabinets all along the rightmost wall behind the driver. Full length. Left side, we've got 2 cabinets, 2 larger ones. Again, the push locks, dampers on the doors as well to hold them up. It's a 19-inch Element TV. It is 120 volts, so it does run off the inverter. That's mounted right above the bed. Continue on to the right side, 3 smaller cabinets above the counter. Again on dampers. Got a switch panel below the upper cabinets here. Left one controls a switch for some under cabinet lighting. Center 2 are unused currently. The rightmost switch is an on-off for the pump for the sink. Got a faux tin backsplash in black. Again, oak butcher block countertops. 10-inch deep stainless sink with the black pull-out faucet. Below the counter on the left side, we've got a bank of 3 large drawers. Again, soft close drawer slides. In the center, 5-gallon gray water tank. We've got a little compartment to store a cutting board. 12-volt pump with the accumulator tank is in the back there behind the gray water tank. Right side, 2 shallow drawers. Good for kitchen utensils and other storage. The fridge is a truck fridge TL65. It's a 2.4 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge. Small freezer compartment as well. And looking toward the front, with some blackout curtains separating the driver compartment from the back. They let no light through at all once they're closed, so you have complete privacy in the back. Behind the driver's seat here, there's storage for some solar shades, large one for the front windshield, two smaller ones for driver and passenger window. Behind that, there is a storage compartment. These are the Euro camper vents. They install in the driver and passenger window to allow air to vent in for the Max Air roof fan. Also got a fire extinguisher mounted behind the driver's seat as well. Looking up into the front, it's an Atoto Android head unit. So you can get Bluetooth music. If you're connected to your phone, you can get navigation, Waze, Google Maps, watch YouTube, any of that kind of stuff. It does have a third brake light reverse cam. It's mounted on its own separate switch, so you can turn it on anytime, not just when you're reversing. Interior is very clean, no rips, stains, anything like that on any of the seats. You do have the storage compartments overhead. Back into the back again, some hooks by the slider door. Just kind of another quick pan around. As far as electrical goes, the main electrical enclosure is underneath the bed. So if we lift up the mattress here on the passenger side, there's a plywood panel that's removable. Underneath, 30 amp ePever MPPT charge controller. It's got 1100 watt modified sine wave inverter, deep blue sea fuse box. There's also a small PC fan to get some air circulation underneath here. Everything is fused, interlocks. The batteries are 6 volt Renogy batteries, 260 amp hours total. They're wired in series, so you get the 12 volt, 260 amp hours. There's also a relay connected to the main vehicle battery, so you can charge the batteries while driving as well. If we step outside, we'll go to the back. There are no windows, so it is windowless back doors. Once inside, you can see we've got a large storage area under the bed. On the right side here, 2 switches. Right one is for some exterior LED porch lights. The left switch controls some LED lighting in the garage storage area. On the left side, we've got a 20-gallon freshwater tank. We've got another pump on a switch back here as well. That's for the shower. Comes with the Camp Chef propane shower. So this is just docked on the right side here, but it can be taken outside, set up, connected to the water. And I used a portable propane tank, a 1-gallon tank for it. Back underneath the water tank, long deep storage area. There's a table, hammock, some other things that's stored under there. Small Honeywell 120 volt fan. Use that on the inside on hot nights, just set it on the countertop. Runs off the inverter. There is also bike storage built in back here. I've got a fork mount here on this box housing the light switch. A couple cleats on the wall to hold the back tire in place. I did fit a 27.5 inch medium sized bike in here. 29 likely would not fit. Just back up and give an overview of the entire inside again. And one last time looking on the inside. through the slider. Again, it's a 2015 Ford Transit with the EcoBoost engine, just over 89,000 miles. Does have a rebuilt title. Currently for sale, asking $26,000. Thanks.